guys, today I'm going to show you how to create ads on Facebook. So have your phone on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. So if you don't already have an ads manager account on Facebook, that's the first thing you're going to want to do. You're going to want to create that account. If you don't have this app, you'll have to download it. So once it's downloaded, you're going to launch the app and you're going to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to click on the down arrow above your name and click on billing and payments. So you're going to add a payment method, and here is where you're going to add your payment method. So you can either choose debit or credit card, or you can choose PayPal. Once you have that selected, you'll click next, and it's going to bring you to the page where you enter all of your card information in. Once you have that entered, you're going to click save, and that's going to be saved to your profile. So if you've never created an ad before, the space here is going to be empty under campaigns, and you're going to have the create option. So we're going to create an ad. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. This helps the channel to grow and for us to reach a larger audience. Thanks so much, and let's get back to the video. So we are going to create a new campaign, and you're going to choose which objective you'd like your ad to have. So it could be engagement, awareness, traffic, leads, sales, app promotion, and just choose whichever one suits your business best. So for this example, I'll choose sales. So first you're going to want to set your budget and schedule, and so you'll click on that, and here you're going to enter what it is you want your daily budget to be. So for this example, I'll use this. And then beneath that, you can select your bid strategies. In this option here, special ad category. So you can turn this on if your business requires special ad categories. So for example, ads that are related to credit, employment or housing, or about social issues, elections or politics. And so when you turn that on, you can select any one of these special ad categories. And then in campaign name, just enter the title of your ad campaign. So assuming your business is going to have different types of ads for different things, its campaign names are a good way to keep track and differentiate between the ads. So once you're finished on this page, you're going to hit next. Here is where you're going to find the schedule. So if you don't want your ads going out every day, you can schedule them to go out at certain times. You can set your ad spend limits, so control how much you spend on this ad. And when you turn that on, you can set a minimum daily and a maximum daily. And here is another really important one as well as audience. So you can choose what audience you want to target. So you can choose minimum ages, maximum ages, and gender, and languages as well. At the bottom here, it's going to give you a estimated audience size depending on what you've chosen for your target audience. So if you anytime you modify these, this number down here is going to change. When you're finished with everything on here, click next. So before you can review and publish your ad, you have to certify compliance with their non-discrimination policy, and they give you the link to visit in order to certify compliance. Once you do that, you can publish your ads, and once they're published, be sure to monitor your analytics, and there you are. Once your ad is posted, you can see it on the Facebook app as well as the Ads Manager app. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you found this video helpful. Maybe you can use this information or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video.